How to use Instagram stories for beginners. If you find this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe. It's very simple to do this. Go ahead and open up your Instagram application. Then on the top left, go ahead and press the plus icon where it says your story. Now I can add any image I want, or I could go ahead and press the camera icon. So we're just going to add an image right now. And once you add it, it's going to look something like this. So you can add any image. And then on the top right, you're going to see a lot of different things. Like you're going to see the text icon, and I can add any text right here. So we can just type in something like this, and I can change how it looks. I can add a background or anything like that if I want to go ahead and do that. And then what I can, it says restyling your text with Meta AI. So you can just wait for it to happen and everything, because you can use AI. But I'm just going to go back because I like it nice and simplified. You don't have to use features like this. So I can just go ahead and move my text right here. If I wanted to, I can add a bunch of different things like so, like a bunch of different widgets and stuff. So if I wanted to do like a poll, I could do that. So we could just obviously type in anything here, and then people are basically going to be able to slide on that slider. Now, if I want to go ahead and delete anything, I just got a long hold on it. I can drag it to delete, and I can add music or anything like that as well. And yeah, it's as simple as that.